no joke. So let's see if Groucho will show off a little bit for you guys today. Can you give everybody a great big hello? Some good mimicry, right? That was really good. But to be the champion, we got to take it to the next level. So we'll see if Groucho wants to show off a little bit today. You got to finish that treat up. Yeah, you're savoring it, I know. So Groucho is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot, and he's lived with people his whole entire life. We'll see if he'll show off. Are you ready? Here we go.
That's wild.
What's even more amazing than that is Groucho knows the lyrics to 7 entire songs from beginning to end. So do you guys want to hear another song? Yeah, aw, Groucho, they're being sweet while they deal with all of our shenanigans. Can you give him a great big kiss?
Aww.
Yeah, good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Okay, you sang Dog in the Window, so you can pick any of the other songs you'd like to sing. Are you ready? Here we go. I know, are you listening to those macaws?